Good morning, everyone. Happy Memorial Day. I wanted to show you quickly my new camp chair for the fire pit, made by North Chester Woodworks. I'll drop the link. I think you can find them on Facebook. But how awesome is this? Back looks like Maine. Little table to hold your stuff, and they're super comfortable. So far, it looks to be built really well. Little branding. I think it's a good fit. I'm going to buy 2 more singles for the left and the right to make it complete for the fire pit.